Don't try and come between parents and their babies. Despite the massive size disadvantage, these birds are not backing down from a buffalo. With their nest on the edge of a watering hole, these hammersmiths needed to be vigilant. The protective parents made themselves as big as possible by spreading their wings. However, the buffalo seems pretty keen on drinking from the specific spot. The birds stood their ground, even flying at the giant animal's face. Eventually, after 5 minutes, the buffalo left and the birds were safe.